Look out, gamers, because I just found out how to get free COD points and credits. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it in COD Mobile right now on the day of 2024, 2025, wherever you're watching this video, with a promo code, guys. So there is no need to be jailbreaking our device, installing mods, any of that bullshit. So as you can see, it says COD Mobile free COD points credits. So just press get code, press show coupon code. And it is going to ask you for your email address because obviously they're sending this to your email. So press get full code and then wait for it to load. So it's going to say, what do you like about shopping? I don't really know why it asks this question. And then you just need to give them your email. So after you put in the email, just press continue and you can see it says activating your reward. So basically at this point, it will make you do like a survey probably, and it's very easy and all. So that's how you get free COD points. You'll probably have to provide some information, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So as you can see, it says please register next. So you just fill this out. It's very simple, and that's how you get free COD points basically. So yeah, I mean, you can be a weirdo and like buy them and everything, but this is a way better method because I got them for free with promo code. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a future video. Subscribe to the channel. But yeah, this is super insane, guys. Like, COD Mobile's been one of my favorite games to play, but I always thought about free credits and COD points and stuff, and I think I finally found a working way to do this. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and tell all your friends, because this is so crazy. I mean, I'm not really someone to get involved in this kind of stuff, but trust me, it works. So I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, tell all your friends. And they should be on the way to try my video too. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a future video. Subscribe to the channel, and yeah, tell all your buddies and they can all come together and do it.